Welcome back, guys. In this video lesson, I'll walk you through the process of how I made this flyer design for a beauty artist, that's beauty brand artist. Now, stick with me to the very end. I'm going to show you how I made everything inside of CorelDRAW. So you can see this image. This was not the exact image they sent to me. I edited it. I was at the face was looking like this, and as well as every other thing was. You can see. I want to show you everything from scratch to the very end. Now, in my video lesson, I always tell you when designing any flyer or anything at all, you need the company's name, company's address, company's logo, company's motto, company's element, that image they are known for, image to represent what the brand does, then their services, how you can contact them, which is their social handles, either WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, other platforms that they use, and address. This basically you just need. You understand? So now, because you always see me put two social, does not mean that others does not have more than that too. And these are all these things that they have, just WhatsApp and TikTok. They don't have other platforms. So you make sure you ask them for all their platforms they use, because a flyer convey all the necessary duty about the brand. That's what you're going to bring to life using your using CorelDRAW. I'm using CorelDRAW using any platform you're using to design. But this same process works. That it works if you're using CorelDRAW actually. So let's get straight into it. Yeah, it can also work if you're using any other platform. You can also use the same idea. Because ideas are not change. You can use the same pattern for identity inside your own program you're familiar with, either with phone or with your system. So let's get straight into the video. Firstly, I told you every time draw your shape, use your functional key, that F6 to get your square. I used 6 by 5. Let me move my cursor. You can see my cursor 6 by 5. Let me draw this 6. You just draw a little shape, then you will make your adjustment again. You can see my cursor 6 by 5. Click on enter, then control and space. That's how to. Oh, 6 by 6 by 5. I said 6 by 5. I want to click 6 by 5. You can say enter, and that's it. Make sure you look what you are doing properly. Make sure you look it very well. So let's take this a little bit. So yeah, this was what I did by myself. So I'll be showing you. I made it through. I'll be showing you this other workspace. So first thing first, I always tell your background. Do your background first. I'm gonna import my background. Look at the original picture here. You can see the difference. See, this was when I edited. This was the original picture they sent to me. You can see the difference. I'll show you how I did this. Very simple. That was how I had to duplicate the picture. So I'm going to copy this background. Let me just copy the whole of this. Just Control C. Let's finish. Control V. Let's power clip inside of this other one. Objects. It's still grouped already. It's still copied. I mean, instead of frame, then still arrow. Place set up. Right click. Edit power clip. Then you can see. Make your adjustments. Then hold your shift key. This one, because I'm using my shift key, that's how to make it straight. See, get. So let's follow our guideline now. Remember, I always tell you when designing, make sure you follow your guideline. See, my guideline helps me in this one. Guideline is very, very important. They are beginner or you are already good, already using CorelDRAW. So you go accordingly. You don't just fly from because you just draw this now. What next to do is just to start typing all these ones. No, go accordingly from top to bottom. This one is not your building house. No house you start from bottom to top. No, this one you're starting from top to bottom. Understand? So yeah, I use Nessa both 26 points. Then this glam, I'm just gonna show you how I made this glam because this glam I added effect to it. This one is very simple. I already showed you similar effects in my previous video. If you've not done that, you need to the channel. You're very welcome. You can go check out my other videos. I've dropped some other amazing tutorial just like this one you're watching. So I used quicker free. I see my cursor quicker free. I'm gonna type it again now. Glam and AM. I use let me check. I use quicker free and 47 points. Let me take it down to 47. Remember, they will change. The reason why they are changing because if you draw it's like if you draw Let me show you what I'm talking about now. You see, if you draw it and you can see the other. Look at this one. Look at this point. Look at this point as I'm drawing it. See, it's changing a bit. That's what I mean by, because I drew the text 47, enter. Then I used quicker free, enter. You can see that that was the same. How did I use? Yeah, let me use this. I think I used this brown. That one is darker. Yes, I think I used this one. So let me zoom that. Wait, see. Or should I use this one? Or let me just use this one. But you can also, you see, as I'm zooming this one, you can also like screenshot, then take it to CorelDRAW, then use your color picker to pick the color and use it. So I'll be doing that to make it easier for you. See, yeah. So after that, next thing I give outline. Give outline F12 for outline because it's already highlighted. You see, the highlighted F12 for outline. It changes on to inches. Then your width, come over your width. Let's see this one. And let's change the color to white. So it's too much. Not is really too much because I've not checked this scale with object and behind field. So that was that 0.28. 0.028 inch. The reason I always tell you, reason of this scale with object and behind fee is to take the text back, the outline back of the text, but in shape, in drawing a line, you don't check scale with object and behind fee. So I'm just gonna okay this. After that, then I give this thing shadow. Shadow I give that thing. Then I'm gonna come out to this shadow tool. Then I'll just hold. Then I drag. See that? That was that effect that I gave. That was that effect that you're seeing. Yeah, simple, just like that. So you can also do the same. I'm just gonna copy and bring it out. And this one, I downloaded this thing from Pinterest. Go to pinterest.com, you'll get it from there. Let me just group this one, okay, Ctrl G, and put it in this other workspace. I already show you how to do it, so I'm not gonna do it again. And these are they I used control, let me ungroup it, Control U for ungroup. I use because I use Nessa board 20. Let me just turn it on to 29. So I used 29 Nexa board. They just not typing. Then this other one, this shape you are seeing. Let me do it. Come over to your box, then draw your shape. Control space. I told you that's the shortcut to go back to your pick tool. You go back to your shape tool. Shape tool. F10. You can get that through F10. That's a functional key. You make your adjustment how you want it. And next, the first color I gave it was this magenta color. That was the first magenta color I gave. Let me just, you can see, you can also screenshot and pick the color from there. So I'm not going to waste my time. Just going to click on here. Then check the order. Yeah, check. Then let's remove the outline of this. Just see my cursor, do exactly what I'm doing, you get exactly the same result. You see, after I got that correctly, the next you can see this other part. There's something like this dark blue here. Right? You're not going to check this other because you see, oh, it's blue. You can just come and click this deep navy blue, no, or this one, what's this one's color, navy blue, or I think it's this desert blue, something like that. You see, it's somehow similar, but if you check that, that's not what you are doing. No. If you do that, you make mistake. Go out to F11 for you to make your adjustment to it. Then for me, now that's when you now change your 14 field. You can see my cursor. I'm gonna check this. I'm gonna come back to color. Let's see here. Then I just move over to this part, this other blue part. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, very good. Like, let me take that a little bit. Let's see, down a little bit. Down. Very good. And let's okay it. You can see that very, very simple. That was let me take it back. See that exactly the same thing. See, so that is it. The next I tapped this serve your I used the area, normal area 12. Let me just take this on to 12. 12, 12, then you centralize it. You can say just hold it, then click on the other shape and click on C in your keyboard. Automatically centralize. And this other shape, I always to this. Let me just ungroup it first. You see this part? I downloaded the image. Downloaded from Pinterest. And let's see if we can make a little adjustment to it. Come over to effect, adjust, auto adjust. Let's see auto adjust. You see, auto adjust. You see, the face is not too white. Not all work with auto adjust. So if it's okay, I just leave it like that. Then this other one, everything was downloaded. Then you get it from there and do the same. I'm just gonna go Control G. As well, this other type of tapping I already showed you, so I'm just gonna copy everything and bring it down. Not to make this video too lengthy. The same thing. This other skincare stuff, I got it from Pinterest as well. I get it from Pinterest as well. It's very, very simple. It's very, 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 very simple. So yeah, simple like that, simple like that, simple like that. Simple, yeah. And see that it's very simple. So next thing is this image here. Let me copy and bring it. Let me just copy this other part. Or let me show you. Yes, I'll just copy and show you how this. Can see this one now. Let me group. Let me duplicate it again. So you see the difference. This one was when I edited, so I'm not going to show that part. I'm going to bring it file. Then let's. I see the two faces, they are the same because I just duplicated one of it. And now I'm checking this part. Let me take a little down so I'm going to check the right one. I'm checking just this one. Now come back to add effect, adjust, image adjustment lab. Now let's see auto adjust and let's see something. Auto adjust, you see, look at what it does. Let's compare it to the one I edited. You see, it's a very big difference. Auto adjust, you just add 10% black and 10% brightness. That was auto. That's basically what auto adjust does. Auto adjust just automatically add 10% brightness to the picture. But that's what I need because if you check it properly, you see it darkens the back, it darkens all this face, and that was not the exact image. Look at it, it's even more. This original picture is more final than this one, so I don't need that one checked. Now let's go back to this other part as our major concern. What I'm using is I'll come back to effect. If you're new, I said you are welcome. If you're not subscribed, please do that in a second. I drop amazing tutorial, which I'll be dropping my description in. I'll be dropping my number in the description below of this video if you want to reach out to me for a master one-on-one class on WhatsApp, or you want me to work for you, any brand, reaching out from anywhere, you're welcome. I'm very glad to work with you. Or you don't have any question, or you have any tutorial for me to drop, or you want me to do video lesson, just put that in the comment section. I'm going to reply to you as soon as possible. Now let's continue. Go back to adjust, then image adjustment lab. Click on image adjustment lab. See something, just automatically add see something, see just automatically added to it because this one that's the preset. That was what I used. Let's see, I didn't use tint, not tint for nothing. Saturation, I used saturation 18. Let's take saturation to 0 and see something. See what saturation does. Saturation add this kind of the original color effect, just more particularly, let me say red, not really red, but that's what it does. Then brightness, you see, give it back this color. I use 13 point brightness. Let's take it to 0 and so you see something. See, it's dark because I know it's dark. After I did that effect, I know I need to give it back this brightness so the face will show. So after that, sorry, I used contrast 17. Let's take this one to 0 for you to see something. You see, this is gonna give you back this dull color. You get, so I increase this one to 17. Then my, you see that giving is very, very good look. Then this is my highlights. Let's take this one to 0 and you see the difference. You see, highlight give this kind of light effect. That was what that was highlight does, not brightness, gives light effects. 50. Then okay it, you can see the difference. See, both are exactly the same, and this one is, see, this was the original picture, this is the edited picture. It's very specific. You can do editing inside of CorelDRAW in any Corel version. That is since I use Corel from S7 to S26. It's the same process I just the same image adjustment lab inside of effects. That's a effect adjust image adjustment lab. That's where you make your adjustment to it. So let me take this one. Let me put this image like this. So you can take your screenshots. I'm going to cut to just two. Okay, let me take this one down. So you can screenshot properly. I'm going to count to 2 seconds and 5 seconds. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sure you've done that because if you pause it, the pause will show. So I don't want the pause to show. That's why I just counted to 5 seconds. So let's continue. After that, I'm going to copy this. I'm copying this new one. I just Control C. Now let's finish this part. Therefore, Control. Let's edit this one. Control B. You can see it's just gonna. I'm gonna take it to this other part, to that side of it. So let's finish. You can see that's very good. And this other last one. Let me duplicate. Let me just bring it down to the other side. I downloaded it from Pinterest too. This skincare stuff. The reason I added this skincare product is because if you check the services, you see they also sales of skincare products. I used this Clarindo BLKBT 10 points. That was what I used. So I think we've got to that correctly. There's nothing else more. So that was what we did. Then this background, if you need this background, let me just group it. See, you can see. Take your screenshots. Let me take this one side. Let me bring this one downwards. Or let me just you can take your screenshot like this. I've got to 3 seconds. 0, 1, 2, 3. So you got to that correctly. You have to do exactly the same thing. So that's it. Then next, I'm going to remove the outline of this. I always tell you to remove the outline. None. So after that, click on F4. You can see got that correctly. So thanks for watching. I'm sure you already know how to do this beauty brand, a makeup artist brand flyer instead of CorelDRAW from scratch to finish. And I hope you know how to made it. So if you have any question, please put that in the comment section. If you're new, please subscribe, like, drop an amazing comment, or you want to ask any other question to do any tutorial on any other video, please put that in the comment section. I'll be answering you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. God bless.